Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here. For this week's full body fat burning workout, I'm going to give you one of my 3C workouts. And that's because in each one of these little mini circuits, there's going to be 3 of them. In total, we've got 3 exercises. 1 big compound exercise, 1 cardio exercise, and 1 core exercise. Okay, so the 3 C's. And all you are going to do is you're going to do each one of those 3 exercises for 20 seconds, rest 20 seconds, move on to the next little circuit, complete all 3 circuits. It's just 4 minutes long. And then if you're a beginner, you want to do at least 2 rounds. And if you're intermediate to advanced, you want to get to that 15-20 minutes, so around 4 to 5 rounds of this 4-minute cycle. So if you guys are ready, let's do this. Don't forget, if you enjoyed today's workout and you want over 100 powerful and effective home workouts, then you can come and grab my brand new big book of home workouts 100% free at sixpackactory.com/big book. Welcome to the workout. We're going to just get started in about 10 seconds or so, and we are going to start with a dumbbell, lunge, and hammer curl. So grab a couple of dumbbells, and then let's go. One side, hammer curl, push back up. Other side, hammer curl, push back up. 20 seconds. Keep going. You don't have to do it very fast. It's just about making sure you have proper form, and you continue throughout the movement. 5 seconds to go. Next, we're going to do our first core exercise, and this is going to be gorilla swings V1. 20 seconds, push it, go. So just grab a dumbbell and then swing it side to side as fast as you can so that we can work those obliques and your lateral chain. Keep going, core nice and tight. 5 seconds. Next, we're going to do 20 seconds of our cardio exercise, and we are going to do just sprints. If sprints is too much for you, you can just do jumping jacks. That's fun as well. Keep pushing. After this, you've got 20 seconds break. So everything you've got. 10 seconds to go. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20-second recovery. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Take a sip of water. If the recovery time is too long for you, you can just drop it down to 10 seconds. That's fine as well if you're more advanced. Next, we're going to do our second 3 exercises, and we're going to start with 20 seconds of renegade row. Let's go. Down one side, down other side. Great core exercise, back exercise, and chest exercise. Big compound movement. Keep pushing. 5 seconds to go. Then we're going to move on to the second core exercise, and this time around we're going to do gorilla swings V2. So 2 dumbbells, swing them as fast as you can, back and forth. Keep going. Remember, if it's too easy, you just use a heavier dumbbell. 5 seconds to go, and then we're going to finish off this round of exercises with 20 seconds of sprints again. Go on, push it, swing those arms, lift those knees as high as you can. 15 seconds to go. After this, you've got 20 seconds break again, so everything you've got left. Come on, push it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more set of 3 exercises, and then this circuit is all done. The next compound exercise is going to be squat and walk out with a push-up. Okay, get ready. 5 seconds to go. And then 20 seconds, walk out and push up. Walk back in, stand up, down, walk out, push up. Keep going. It's a nice big movement. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. And then the final core exercise is gorilla swings V3. So dumbbell up and down as fast as you can. This will make your core have to work overtime. So nice and fast. 5 seconds, keep pushing. And then we're going to finish off with the cardio exercise again. High knees, 20 seconds. Come on, everything you've got. 15 seconds, keep pushing. 10 seconds to go. Swing those arms. Come on, almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is one circuit all done. So there you go, guys. I know you're going to enjoy this one. A lot of effective exercises in a very powerful workout structure, but this one is designed to get you results quickly right there at home. So remember, if you're a beginner, you want to do that at least twice, so that complete circuit twice. And if you're intermediate to advanced, you want to go 4 to 5 rounds, so you can get to about 15 to 20 minutes. Until the next one, keep it simple out there and have fun. Bye-bye.